Hey, I just came on the terrace for a walk. It's 6 in the evening and I wanted to show you the view. One second. See that. That is Gavi Gudda. Gudda means hill, and oh my god, it looks so beautiful. You can see the clouds forming. It's going to rain again. Let me show you the whole range. See. You can see the whole range from here. That's Aksadi Gudda. And let me show you the backyard. And on the other side, see that. Can you see those there? That misty thing, it's the clouds forming right now. It's definitely going to rain again. I think let's go for a drive right now.